What is up, everybody? This is Nero Assault bringing you a whole new video. Today we're going to be doing part 1 of my build log. This is going to be the teardown of my old PC. So yeah, enjoy! I would just like to do a quick tour of my PC. So I took off the side panel, as you can see here. That is the side panel. Right? And now I want to show you the LED strip lights. It starts at the bottom right hand side of the case. And it goes across and around. So across and around the whole case to light up. Then I got my GTX 1060 graphics card, 6GB. Then I have my Ares RAM, 8GB, 2x4. Then my stock heatsink. And now for all my fans. I had a total of 3 fans in my computer. One in the front and one on the top, which I had removed before the time. As you can see, the dust is still there. I also have one exhaust fan so that I can suck out all the hot air. In my basement, I have my power supply unit with my hard drives on the right and my SSD at the back. Cool, so now it's time for the time lapse. I begin with taking off the side panels, then I start doing the cables at the back. Right, and then what I start doing is I'm doing the power supply and then the back mounts so I can take out the graphics card. I then take out the RAM, LED strip lights, and the fan which is sitting in the front by the filters. I take off the rear exhaust, and then I start organizing my screws. Oh yeah, so now after that I got a little frustrated with the cabling, so I just threw it all to the side. I then undid the motherboard so that it can come off easily, but the one stand got stuck. I then start cleaning the case with this air duster, which I got, and yeah, I should have prepared for the dust. But otherwise, yeah, we just cleaned the case pretty nicely. I reorganized things so I can show you it. Cool, so I just finished doing my breakdown of the computer. As you can see, laid out all the components of the computer. There we go. So yeah, this is everything. It's front panel, side panel, filter, RAM, SSD slots with the SSD in place, GTX 1060, 6GB as well. My 2 hard drives, 1TB and 500GB. Motherboard, filters, fans, Phanteks LED strip lighting, 500W Avantech I think. Solder cables, compressed air. This will be the cloth I used to clean it with. What you doing? Oh, such a stupid cat. Psst. Anyway, so then you see all the nuts. Hold on. Okay, now that I've sorted that out, I've got my screwdrivers there. I only used 2, that one and that one I think. Then there was my pliers and then the mounts with the I/O, that one. Yeah, and then you got my case, cleaned it out pretty nice. Yeah, and then I got a converter because my motherboard doesn't have a 3.0 port, so it has, let's see if I can get it in the light, there we go, pins there with the 2.0, so, come on, focus, anyway, so yeah, that is my PC, sad actually.